Who's the most important player on a football team?
Quarterback.
Quarterback. I'm hearing quarterback a lot. I heard multiple quarterbacks. Why didn't anybody say place kicker? I think it's a place kicker. The guy after the touchdown is scored that gets the one extra point. How come everybody said quarterback? I'm confused because I'm in sales. And you guys are in sales too, so you should be confused. Why? Because salespeople believe that the person that kicks the extra point after all the work is done is the most valuable player on the football team. It's not Mahomes, it's McKicker. Why? Because that's how y'all act. Not you guys on Easton University, but everybody else. It has been, you know how they have at the construction sites, it's been 375 days since a work-related accident. It has been 41 days since I, somebody that puts my mobile number out there on social media, have received a cold call from one of you guys out there in the sales world. Yet, I get 187 emails, right? How is it that we believe that the quarterback, the person that starts the play, where everything starts from, is the most valuable, yet at the same time, when it comes to the quarterback of our career, the thing that starts the play, the thing that's the most valuable, first contact, we put a place kicker in to do that job with an email. I just sent him an email. I got 4 of them today. 3 of the 4 were, I'm just bumping this up to the top to see if you got my other email, because we can add 4,000 students to Easton University. Right? If you really can add 4,000 students to Easton University, why the hell aren't you picking up the phone and calling me? Hey Matt, it's Tommy with Tommy's Marketing. Wanted to reach out to you personally. Huge fan of your TikTok channel. Got an idea I would love to talk to you about regarding adding students to your Easton University. Instead, y'all send a punter in to do that job and wonder, why can't I sell anything? Sorry, I'm getting emotional here. But it's the simple little things that if we change, you make $1 million. It really is that simple. You guys put all your effort into closing a deal, into overcoming objections. But you don't even have a quarterback on your team because you haven't made a damn cold call in the last 6 months. And you wonder why you're not selling anything. Not you guys. Those guys. The ones out there not on Easton University.